Hey there everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I will tell you how to fix guide access not working on iPhone or iPad. Guide access is essential to safeguard your privacy and prevent unintended actions when others use your device. Therefore, it's frustrating if the guide access triple click isn't working to start or stop the feature and only turns the screen off, or even when guide access is on, it still allows access to other content. Let's discuss ways to fix guide access not working on iPhone or iPad. First of all, you have to do is make sure enable. You have to make sure that the guide access is enabled on your iPhone. Guide access isn't enabled by default, so you must turn it on from the settings. To turn it on, you have to open your settings. Now tap on accessibility. After this, then you have to scroll down until you see guide access. Now simply tap on it. Then you have to make sure that guide access is enabled. After this, then you have to do is make sure that the buttons are working. By default, your device assigned the triple click shortcut to start guide access. If that's not working, it might be because the button isn't working properly. Take a moment to inspect the buttons on your iPhone or iPad to ensure they are not damaged. After this, then you have to restart your iPhone. A simple restart can fix these type of issues. So you have to open your general, scroll down and then tap on shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. If restarting doesn't work, then you have to do is check for iOS update. You have to open your software update and check if there is any available update for your iPhone. If there is, then simply update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS. Like I am having an update of 17.1.2. All I have to do is simply tap on update now, or I can update it tonight. So guys, after trying this all step and you're still facing the issue, then I will suggest you to do reset all settings on your iPhone. To do this, you have to scroll down and then tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset all settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, if this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.